arriving on time. My name's Andre Spence. I'm the founder and CEO of an organisation called Global Purpose Enterprise, where we exist to level up young, black and underserved talent through mentorship and events. And we've got an app coming out, you should go and download it. Hip hip.
Is everyone ready? Nah, that's not it. Is everyone ready? Okay, good. I'll just do the candy for you guys. Alright, so let's try this. Okay, so this side. I need more energy. Alright, this side. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Now, you guys want to learn about drones? Yeah. What? Yeah. What? Yeah. Okay. You guys what? Didn't just wake up? No one get no coffee? Oh, okay. Okay, so the question is where you start. Okay. 3 rules I like to teach my students. We had a kids course in April, another one in March, another one in August. I'm teaching 5-year-olds to 17-year-olds. The best name I have heard, is KK Eva. 9-year-old girl. Yeah, she's a drone technician now. Okay? She works with me when she gets a chance, and her parents let her out of the house. You know, you got kids in it, you got parents who have responsibilities. So, be safe basically means understand your skill, capability, and what you can do. Yeah? And then you train to improve that. Be responsible with understand permission. So, to fly in this location, you need to go to the necessary bodies to get that permission. It's not an easy thing, it takes time. It's like a mini degree. Yeah? And then if you want to continue, there's a lot more you need to do. Okay, so the drone industry can be anything you want. Yeah? You got your phones in your hand. What can that do? Yeah? Anything, right? If you really put your mind to it, you can do anything. I've got a flying computer with a screen. Yeah? This is more, maybe a little bit more. So, I want everyone to prepare themselves for a little demonstration I have. Yeah? And we have an amazing drone pilot here today behind us who's trying to show us exactly how to fly a drone in public. Okay, everyone, I want you to make sure you stay in your seats, do not move around. There is a drone flying overhead as I am, and he is qualified. We are going to ensure that you guys do that. Okay. So, I mean, get your phones out, record. What do you think I Give him a round of applause, everyone. Wait, 1 second. No, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. But thank you very much. Have a good evening, okay?